Hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? How your day is going on? On this video, we'll try to talk about one question which I got from Bluebook Practice Test 7, and we'll try to solve it together, okay? And yes, I know that you may think this is the easiest question we may take from SAT, but in my opinion, if we don't pay attention on the details, we may easily can get this question wrong. Because you know that in test, we'll have deadline, and under pressure we may choose the wrong answer. So that's why let's pay attention on details more and do this question together. The question is, Lorenzo purchased a box of cereal and some strawberries at the grocery store. Lorenzo paid $2 for the box of cereal and $1.9 per pound for the strawberries. If Lorenzo paid a total of $9.60 for the box of cereal and the strawberries, which of the following equations can be used to find P, where P is the number of pounds of strawberries Lorenzo purchased? Okay, imagine we are in the exam, and when we read this question first time, we may not gonna get it, yep? It may be hard to us to get it. And let's go back to the necessary parts, which starts from second sentence. Lorenzo paid $2 for the box of cereal, which means Lorenzo didn't pay $2 each for cereal, but Lorenzo paid $2 overall for the box of cereal. And we have to write it down. $2 overall for the box of cereal. Okay, and $1.9 per pound for the strawberries. Now it is interesting, because above we wrote $2 overall for a box of cereals. Yeah? But right now, we have to understand what they are saying. $1.9 per pound for the strawberries means Lorenzo paid $1.9 per pound of the strawberries. It is the amount of money that Lorenzo paid per pound of the strawberries. You got it, yep? Per pound for the strawberry. Okay, if Lorenzo paid a total of $9.6 for the box of cereal and the strawberries, which of the following equation? Okay, $9.6 means over all amount of money he or she paid for both of them above, yep? For both of them above. Okay? By that I mean this one, I'm sorry. This sign. Okay. And let's simplify it. Let's simplify it more. So we could get that Lorenzo paid overall $2 plus and $1.9 per pound for the strawberry. We'll write it like that because it gives us the overall amount of money Lorenzo paid for the strawberries. Okay? You got what 1.9p means, yep? And it is equal to 9.6 which is overall amount of money Lorenzo paid for both of them. And so we will choose option A, because it doesn't matter in which order we write it, they are equal. This one, and option A is equal. So our answer is option A. I hope this one was clear, so see you next time. Thank you.